Hi there, I'll be giving you a quick overview of Clerkal to help get you started. When you first log into your dashboard, you'll be directed to your personal template page. You can navigate to different sections of your dashboard through the sidebar. You can view sections such as your drafts, dynamic elements, snippets, and the template library. You can access some useful guides by clicking on the Help button in the sidebar to help get you started further with Clerkal. You can also contact support by clicking on the support button down at the bottom. To access your account settings, simply go to the My Account section in your sidebar. Here you'll find all of the links to your account as needed. There's also a trash bin for you to retrieve deleted templates. In your personal template library, you'll see all your templates in the secondary sidebar on the left side of your screen. You'll have some stock templates that would already be populated in your account when you first sign up. If you hover over a template or right-click it, an action menu will be visible. This will allow you to move templates to another folder, rename them, duplicate, share, and delete them. You can also group your templates into folders to keep your library organized. Templates can be dragged to reorder them or dragged into new folders as well. Templates can also be color-coded to further help with organization. If you have your own templates you'd like to use, you can simply create a new template in Clerkal and start modifying it to best suit your needs. Simply select the New button at the top and then select which folder you'd like your new template to be added to. Alternatively, you can right-click on a folder and select the New Template option to add it directly to that folder. We'll cover how to add templates in more details in another video. To get started faster, you can browse and add some of our library templates by clicking in the library section in your sidebar. Here you'll find a whole host of stock templates that you can easily download to your personal library. You can also preview templates before downloading them. Simply click on the preview button in the top right corner of the page. To download a template in the library, simply click the download button and then select which folder you'd like it to be copied into. New library templates are added regularly, or you can request one through the request option at the top of the page. You can easily customize templates to suit your needs. To edit a template, simply click on the template you would like to make changes to. Then click on the Edit button in the top right-hand corner of the page to enable the template editor. Once you are happy with your changes, be sure to save them. If you need any help with your template, we have some fantastic guides on how to do this, or you can reach out to our team for any questions. To complete a note, select the template you'd like to use. Then click on the Use this template button in the top right corner. This will open the Clinical Note Editor. Here you'll see your template on the left-hand side ready to complete, and a preview of your final generated notes on the right. This can be collapsed or expanded as required. The toolbar at the top contains some tools, such as making text bold, adding emojis and snippets, and transcribing. You'll see elements such as drop-downs and buttons which have to be clicked on to be selected. You'll also notice some grayed out text. These are clickable lines, or they can be clickable text, which will only be added to your notes once they've been clicked on and activated. You can easily add text into your clinical note by clicking anywhere that you would like to add the text into. In this case, we're going to add, as an additional isolation method, the use of dry guards. To undo or redo changes, simply click on the Undo or Redo button in the top right corner of the toolbar. Alternatively, you can use the hotkeys Ctrl-Z for undoing and Ctrl-Shift-Z to redo. Clinical notes are auto-saved every 10 seconds by default, so you don't lose your inputs. However, if you need to complete your notes later on, you can simply save it as a draft. Here you can include an identifier and a reason why you're creating it as a draft. These can now be accessed in your draft section and edited to be completed later. Auto-saved notes are kept for 48 hours, but saved drafts are kept for 14 days before they're automatically deleted. Once you're happy with your notes, you can simply click the copy button or press Ctrl+C to copy your final generated notes. You can then go ahead and paste them into your patient management software, but be sure not to close your notes until you've successfully pasted them into your patient's file so that you don't accidentally lose your generated notes. And that's the basics of Clerkal. So jump on in and start saving time with your clinical notes. If you have any questions or need any help, feel free to reach out or see our guides for more detailed explanations on different features in Clerkal.